start with integers. So what are integers? You can see a diagram. This is called as a number line. Let's talk about first the definition of integers. Later I will explain you. Integers, all positive and negative whole numbers including 0 are integers. Okay, so what it's saying? It is saying that 0, 1 and 2 and 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, they all are integers. Now the question is, I can also see a 0.5 somewhere in number line. Is it an integer? No, because it has to be a whole number. Now what are whole numbers? Whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, 99, 100, so on. These are all our whole numbers. 0.5 is an integer. It's not an integer. 3.5 is an integer. It's not an integer. So again, all positive and negative numbers including 0 are integers. So 1 is an integer, 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, and so on. Similarly, minus 1 is an integer, minus 2 is an integer, minus 3 is an integer, and so on. So integers are two types: positive integers and negative integers. So let's find out what are positive integers and what are negative integers. So positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So what are negative integers? Negative integers are then going to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Now the question arises, is 0 is a positive integer or negative integer? 0 is not a positive integer nor a negative integer, it's just an integer. It is just an integer. Let's clear all these by giving an example. For example, the question is to add x plus 100. Let's solve this. And let's put a condition that x is a positive integer. X is a positive integer and it is less than 2. I will request you to first solve by yourself, then you can watch the video. So x is a positive integer. Again, drawing a number line: 0, 1, 2, so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. So the first condition is x is a positive integer. That clearly means that we are going to leave this, because I have already mentioned 0 is not a positive integer nor a negative integer. So what are positive integers? We are going to see 1, 2, 3, and so on. So let's mark this. And second condition is it is less than 2. What is a, please tell me the positive integer that is less than 2. Again, 1. So 1 is an only integer, positive integer that is less than 2. So the x is 1. Let's put the value of x and solve the question. So x plus 100 is going to be, putting value of x we have find out is 1 plus 100. So the answer is 101.